This is a special episode for Diwali which falls on Children's Day!
Yay! So what are we going to cook for Children's Day today?
Today we are going to cook cocoa basil custard apple kheer with beet sago.
Oh my god, that sounds amazing! Let's start preparing.
So let us see what are the ingredients required for making custard apple kheer. This recipe has 3 parts. Part 1. We have to remove the flesh from the custard apple. Part 2. We have to make kheer. For making kheer, we need 1 cup of milk, half cup of sugar and half cup of coarsely ground rice and 1 cup of coconut milk and basil for flavor. Part 3. To make beet sago, we need sago which is soaked for 2 hours and beetroot wedges.
So I'm so excited, so let's start cooking!
So let's take the flesh from the custard apple. It is important to select the right ones. So we have opened it into 2 parts and let's take a spoon to score all the flesh.
After we remove the flesh, we have to whisk it vigorously to remove the seeds from this flesh. So let's whisk it.
After whisking it vigorously, we need to remove the seeds from this bowl and separate it.
So let's make the beet sago. What I have done is I have kept a pan with 2 cups of water for boiling. I'm adding sago and beetroot. So let it cook until the sago is soft and translucent.
Oh, I think the sago has cooked well, become pink and translucent, right?
Yeah.
So let us strain it.
Put it back in the pan and add some cold water and give it a shock. To make the kheer, I've kept a pan with 1 cup of water. When the water is simmering, let's add coarsely ground rice and cook it. Rice is cooked now. Let's add milk. Coconut milk. Finally, sugar. Let's stir it. Our kheer is cooking. Let us flavor it with some fresh basil leaves. I'm crushing the basil. Super done. So let's add it to our pulp. The kheer is ready! So I'm going to refrigerate it for 1 hour before we plate it.
So let's start plating!
I'm going to pour the kheer in wine glasses.
I'm going to garnish with sago and sliced beets and basil. Our cocoa basil custard apple kheer with beet sago is ready. Let us invite Chef Sham for tasting.
Did you add custard apple in this?
Yes!
Wow, that's a great blend of Thai and local Indian food, which is we have added the local fruit which is sitafal, and I see that there is a basil there, there is coconut, yeah?
Yes.
It's a sago, the sago pearls is giving good color and texture to the entire kheer. It's a brilliant effort, kids.
Thank you,
Proud of you. So, for more
Innovative and exciting dishes, keep watching Curry Conversations.
Wish you all a happy and green Diwali and happy Children's